Welcome to our channel Maths is Thinking Itself. In this video we learn about how to find the area of triangle by using Heron's formula. So now before that we also know the area of triangles you go half into base into height, and why we not use here we also discuss. Now before that we have to learn some basic facts. Now we know that we can find the area of 2D shapes. The 2D shapes are given: rectangle, square, right angle triangle, equilateral triangle, and isosceles triangle. And scale and triangle is also where no sides are unequal in length. Now, first of all, we have to know the knowledge about basic knowledge about what is in by area and perimeter. So first of all, we revise the word perimeter. Perimeter means what? Is the distance around the two-dimensional shape. So perimeter of this rectangle is this path is known as perimeter of this rectangle. So if L and B, then its total sum of all sides means perimeter, and in general it is L2 times L plus B is the perimeter. And what is meant by area? The area is space occupied by its boundary by two-dimensional shape. So this is an area. This is the difference between them. So perimeter have unit and area have always square यूनिट. व्हाट इज माई यूनिट? अगर यहाँ पे लेंथ मीटर में दी है तो स्क्वायर मीटर में, एरिया आएगा सेंटीमीटर में दिया है तो सेंटीमीटर. वी ऑलवेज फैमिली विद द वर्ड स्क्वायर मीटर. अगर कभी आपने जनरल ऑब्जर्वेशन किया होगा कि लैंड के बारे में बात की जाती है तो जब भी मापा जाता है तो कोई प्लॉट कितना है तो 1600 स्क्वायर फीट, 1000 स्क्वायर फीट and so on in that way. Now what is difference between Heron's formula and before we learn area of triangle? So area of triangle A is equal to, we know that, half into base into height. We learned in the previous class. So now here it is applicable when we know the height. So that's why Heron's formula is introduced. So now what is Heron's formula? First we understand. If there is a triangle PQR and having side A, B, C. So Heron's formula, area of triangle is equal to under root of S multiplied by S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Now what is S here? S is the semi-perimeter. Semi means half of it. Half of the perimeter. Perimeter of triangle is A plus B plus C. So S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. So now it is very simple to find the area of triangle by using Heron's formula. Only we have to know the values and substitute it and do the calculation. You get your answer. अगर आपको previous knowledge भी नहीं है ज़्यादा, आपको ये formula learn हो गया, what is by A plus B plus C upon 2, that is S, then only you have to substitute the value and solve it. Now with the help of example we understood it. Let us consider the example. Given triangle having side 32 meter, 24 meter and 40 meter. So let us take A is equal to 32 meter, B is equal to 24 meter and C is equal to 40 meter. Now we want to find the area of this triangle. So first step is we have to find its semi-perimeter. The same perimeter S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. Now we have to substitute the value of ABC. So 32 plus 24 plus 40 upon 2 and their sum is 96 upon 2 and which is equal to 48 meter. So in that way we get the value of S. हमें चार values पता है A, B, C और S. Now we can apply the formula. Area of triangle is equal to under root of S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. स्टूडेंट यहाँ पे हम फार्मूला डायरेक्टली भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. अदरवाइज फर्स्ट वी फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ S minus A, S minus B and S minus C and then we have to put in it. So now first we calculate S minus A, S minus B and S minus C, as S minus A is equal to 48 minus 32, that is 16 meter. S minus B is equal to 48 minus 24, which is equal to 24 meter, and S minus C is equal to 48 minus 40, which is equal to 8 meter. So after calculating it, we have to apply the Heron's formula, that is area of triangle is equal to under root of S multiplied by S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Now we have to substitute the values S, S minus A and S minus B and S minus C. The value of S 48, put it S minus A 16, S minus B 24 and 8. Now next step is important. We know that if under root sign 4 into 4 is written, outside the square root sign 1/4 is written. So this basic knowledge we apply here to find the square root of the given product, that is 48 into 16 into 24 into 8. So how to solve it? It is a big number, तो हमें ऐसे पेयर देखने हैं. Now look at 48 में 48 को कभी एक्सप्रेस किया जा सकता है 16 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय सम नंबर, यस दैट इज 16 into 3. सो हमें सिंपली 16 की पेयर मिल जाती है 16 into 16 इन स्क्वायर रूट साइन, तो आउटसाइड क्या हो जाएगा 16. ओके, देन 24 है यहाँ पे 8 है, तो 24 को 8 into 3 लिखा जा सकता है. सो दैट्स वाई वी कैन एडजस्ट देयर एंड मेक द पेयर. Now 48, 3 multiplied by 16, 24 means 3 into 8. Now here pair is there and 3 is also in the pair. So outside the bracket it becomes square root sign. Outside the square root sign it becomes 3 multiplied by 16 into 8, and that is equal to 384 square meter. So in that way we can easily find the area of triangle when length of 3 sides are given. Now in the next video we learn how to find the area of these two examples. So these are the two different problems. In one of the problem 2 sides and perimeter is given, and next problem their ratio of the sides is given and perimeter is given. Then how to find the area. Student, if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe and share with your friends. We come with the next video with these two examples.